Welcome to Online Economics and Personal Finance Summer 2018 course. One of the things that you will need to be successful in the class is a pair of headphones with a microphone capability. You will use those in the collaboration sessions that you'll participate in daily, and you'll need to make sure that you go and log in and click under the Tools Audio Setup to make sure that your volume is set so that you can hear your instructor and your classmates can hear you. So be prepared and have a pair of headphones with a working microphone. In terms of the class, this is a very fast-paced summer 4-week course. The expectation is for students to spend approximately 7 hours a day, Monday through Friday, in order to complete the coursework during the 4 short weeks. You'll need to make sure that you complete all online self-checks and learning activities and assignments indicated by the due dates in the Blackboard class and the assignment checklist. You're able to check your grades daily under the My Grades tab in Blackboard for feedback or any questions that you might have. If you don't understand an assignment, it is extremely important that you seek help via email from your online instructor so that they can help you resolve any questions or answer any questions. Please make sure again to communicate any issues or concerns quickly. Again, we cannot help you unless you are communicating if you're having any questions. Again, instructors may also email you. We need to make sure that you respond promptly so that we can resolve or get any information that's needed for you to be successful in the summer course. The assignments again are listed in the folders in the Blackboard class. You should follow the directions that are carefully provided. Once you open and complete an assignment, you should save it to your computer with your last name and the assignment name to make it easy to find and locate. At the end of each unit, there is a unit review assessment that helps prepare you for sample questions that you'll see on your unit test. We encourage you to strive for 85% accuracy. That should ensure that you understand the content well enough to be successful. Any and all unit tests must be completed all at one time in one sitting, and you will only have one chance to complete the test. So please make sure you limit all distractions while you're testing so that you can focus and complete them in one timely session. You need to make sure that you keep on task. One of the nice features is that the online course is available 24/7, but again, keep up with your schedule and the assignment checklist. Please complete your lessons in the sequence assigned on the assignment checklist so that they make the most sense and that you have completed the work necessary to be successful in the assignments that come later. You are required to attend and participate in a daily collaborative session Monday through Friday, so please know who your teacher is and make sure that you sign up for the correct link and times. And you'll be able to check your My Grades tab to see your status for any current work or work that has been submitted and you receive feedback. And your instructor will send a progress report after each unit so you know where you're at grade-wise in the course. Grades consist of the following. The first week is the equivalent of first quarter, and that counts as 15%. The second quarter is week 2, and that also is 15%. Both the midterm and final exams are 20%, and the third and fourth quarters are both 15%. All testing for the summer session will take place at Woodson High School. The midterm exam is scheduled for Wednesday, July 11th at 5 p.m., and the final exam and WISE financial literacy tests are both scheduled for Wednesday, July 25th at 5 p.m. So you need to make sure that your schedule will allow you to be in person at both of these dates and times. If for any reason your schedule has changed, please see the announcement tabs in Blackboard in regards to dropping the course. Once you've had a chance to look at the Blackboard class, you're ready to get started in the Blackboard collaboration for your daily Monday through Friday collaboration sessions. You'll select the collaboration tab, and then you'll make sure you select your individual teacher's link to enter, and it'll be prompted to type in your first and last name so that you receive credit for participating in the course. In order to prepare your microphone, you need to make sure you've plugged in your microphone with headphone capabilities and click on the microphone so that you can set up your sound so that you're able to hear your instructors and other students in the course. There are a variety of ways that you can communicate in the Blackboard collaboration sessions with your instructor and other students. You can use the emoticons, the responding to polling if your teacher is asking you a yes, no, or multiple choice A, B, C, D. If you have a question at any time, you can use the raise hand button. If you're going to talk, you need to remember to click on the talk button and then you can speak. If for any reason your microphone is not working, you can use the chat button and type in whatever it is you need to ask or get help with. But again, you're expected to have daily microphone capability. Sometimes your instructors will ask you to use the whiteboard The way that you can type on the whiteboard is click on the A with the little lines by it. That gives you the text tool, and then you're able to click on the whiteboard and type in your responses. So again, that is how you communicate in the daily collaboration sessions. The collaboration chat times that are scheduled for the summer session are Miss Sweet at 8 a.m., Mrs. Setness at 9 a.m., not p.m., and Mr. Hohenwarter at 2:30 p.m., and Ms. Offman at 8 p.m. So 2 morning sessions and 2 afternoon evening sessions. Please plan to attend your regular instructor's collaboration. If you have a conflict, you can email your instructor. If you need to attend another instructor's scheduled chat, you'll need to get that link from your regular instructor. Collaborations are recorded and can also be listened to at a later time. In terms of completing the work, you need to make sure that you go to the assignment calendar and click on the Getting Started folder and complete the technology checklist if you have not already done so, to ensure your computer will function with the online technology. You also need to have completed the student information survey. If for any reason you haven't completed the Google form that was sent by your instructor, that has important information that your instructor will need. And you also need to make sure you have read the syllabus, and after having done so, click on the syllabus acknowledgement indicating yes, you have read it. Once you get ready to submit assignments, you'll go through and open up any assignments and take a look at it, read it, see if you have any questions, complete the work, and then save it to your computer. Whenever you see the paper with the ruler and the pencil, that's an indicator you need to submit something in the Blackboard shell for your instructor to grade to give you points. The first one in this class is your My Goals for this class. It's a Word document. You'll open up, respond to it, save it to your computer, and then upload it to this assignment link. That is the nature of how assignments are submitted in the online Blackboard class environment. Once you have done that and you're familiar with it, you're going to set up your Virtual Business Personal Finance student accounts. You'll click on the Virtual Business Personal Finance link. There are a set of directions that you can open up in a Word document and follow the step-by-step directions. It will require you to go to the Virtual Business Personal Finance link. This is an online simulation that we use throughout the course. You'll have to select the Register Now, and then you need to make sure you use your instructor's code. If you do not use your instructor's code, you'll end up getting enrolled in the wrong class and won't be able to receive credit for your course. You will then, after completing your account, complete the simulation tutorial to become familiar with how it works and some vital components to being successful in the class. And then on our first day of class for the summer session, we'll be completing the time management and health. It consists of 2 parts, reading and then answering a quiz of questions. If you don't get them right on the first go around, you can complete them a second or third time as needed. You can always refer back to the reading to get the correct answer. Once you've completed the reading and the quiz, then you'll go into the run simulation, and you need to follow the step-by-step directions exactly as instructed, not doing any more, not doing any less. If you do exactly what they tell you to do, you should be successful in completing the simulations. Now you're ready to begin completing the content for the course. You'll select the Econ Personal Finance Lessons tab. That's where the online campus modules, we don't use a textbook, so we have PowerPoints and various interactive lessons that will help you learn the content that you need to be successful in the class. You'll go ahead and start with the basic unit. Click on that, open up the first lesson, Lesson 1. Watch the basic Lesson 1 link to any, again, PowerPoints or any content that is available for you, and then follow up with any assignments once you've done so. Your first assignment will require you to open up How Do You Value Money? This is just to get you thinking about how you view the concept of money. And so you're going to answer some questions in that particular assignment link. And then you'll open up the next assignment link. This is kind of like a quiz format icon, and this is more of a document submission icon. So you'll open up the Setting Short-Term and Long-Term Goals Word document, complete the assignment, keeping in mind that short-term goals are usually less than a year. Long-term goals are more further out, maybe 3 to 5 to even 10 years down the road. So keep that in mind. And once you successfully complete that, you're ready to continue on the next lesson. So good luck to you. Again, remember to keep up with all the assignment deadlines. Summer will go very quickly and it's very easy to fall behind. So make sure you manage your time wisely. Good luck in the course, and again, happy summer 2018 online economics and personal finance.